Hi, welcome to another Swipe Wallet tutorial. If this is your first time on the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll teach you how to withdraw on Swipe Wallet into your external wallet. Alright, let me open the app. Under Wallet, tap on Menu tab. Search for the token you want to withdraw. Let me search for Elrond eGold. Once selected, tap on Send icon. Here, you have 4 options via username, email, mobile number, or wallet address. Let me pick wallet address. What I like about Swipe Wallet is that it's free for withdrawing your crypto assets, just like Celsius Wallet. Now, input the amount you want to withdraw. On my end, I'll withdraw all my eGold to delegate on Elrond network. Let me access my Elrond wallet and copy my receiving address. Once copied, paste it here. Double check the amount and withdrawal address. Once confirmed, tap on Confirm. Awesome, I've successfully withdrawn my eGold. You'll have to wait for a few minutes for it to get confirmed by Swipe Wallet, and another minute to get it confirmed on the blockchain network. On your wallet, it will say pending. After a few minutes, I receive a message from Elrond bot that my deposit is already confirmed. Upon checking on my Elrond wallet transaction, it's already reflecting. You'll also see on Swipe Wallet that the status is complete. Alright, that's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you on my next video.